What's up, guys? Travis from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys? Coming to you with a quick little video. It's been a minute since I've done anything, so we're gonna set up our Halloween stuff today. And I have a lot of it, so I'm gonna go through it all and show you what's what. This is my current setup. That'll soon change. This is new. This is kind of cool. I'll show you at the end. But that's Halloween. There's a Simba. Couple of Halloween decorative things that Sammy found at Target. This isn't staying like this, but I found my ghost face robe. I just hung it right there. Mask. All my other masks, cups, figurines. And then I have a whole nother box of Halloween stuff, so gonna set that all up, and I'll show you the process of how I do it and do a little time lapse and all that fun stuff, so enjoy. That only took an hour. Just kidding, it wasn't quite an hour. I'm gonna have to move this, buddy boo. Stand back. Hey. I'm gonna have to move this. I guess I can move it with him on it. Okay, so a little bit cluttered. It's gonna have to look like that for a while, unfortunately. Might have a break in between Halloween and Thanksgiving, but this is my Menards collectibles. I got the plate, trucks, yada yada yada. Few things there. Kingdom Hearts, Doctor Strange figurine. Some more Marvel stuff down here. Oh. Funko Pops from The Greatest Showman. Got all my Power Ranger stuff over here. Not every single one of them, but most of them. The Megazords, the helmet, the Funko Pops, my Disney collection, which honestly is getting to the point where I need a whole shelf just for my Disney stuff. And you think I'm bad? Look at Salma and her Funko Pops. Demon Slayer and
You're not sell dogs, we will kill you.
Mexico, Small World After All, Funko Pop. which I think I found at Target, but I can't remember now. But Harley Quinn, all of her Demon Slayer stuff, which I will sell on eBay.
What?
If you're interested, I'll put a link.
Travis, how do you do? I will sell you Power Rangers.
eBay, come on. Who uses eBay anymore? I got my Mary statue and crosses up here. Again, just temporary for a couple of months, and over here we got some Halloween stickers.
Ow! Excuse me. Don't move me.
Some new stickers. Spooky and Boo. Ow! There's my back. And this is the skull lit up. Crystal skull. I found at Menards. Right next to the Gravedigger mask. This haunted castle lights up. I think I got that at Walmart, but I'm not positive. And let me go back over here. We'll turn on the light, and I can show you better the setup. The Halloween setup. I got chains for both sides. I got these at Party City, and then they just they're intertwinable. You can take them off piece by piece, and I just put them on either end. Got my machetes, my Scream.
Did I answer your mom's phone?
No.
Hello?
Hang on a second. I'll be done in a second.
No, he's recording some Halloween stuff.
Got my Scream Funkos up there. My Halloween
I will bring her
franchise.
Okay.
Over there we got Pennywise.
Alright, Mom. I will kill her now. Bye.
The Slimer.
Hey, your daughter. Do you want to go with me?
I'll be there in a minute.
Come on, baby. She wanna come me home.
Haunted Mansion playing cards. Ow, there was my finger. Salma's Day of the Dead figures,
You're not gonna sell those either.
which will be available for sale. Ow.
Exactly.
Along with this Hello Kitty plush.
You're not gonna sell those either. Yeah, I was saying you scared movie stuff.
Annabelle.
Ow, that hurt my finger.
Chucky. This is my
Freddy.
Freddy and Jason setup.
Hey, Freddy's mine. You had Jason.
They have another version of him that I want to get. It's the one from the final movie where he's got the chains all wrapped around him and he's skeleton, and
We're for Christmas.
this actually is a two-parter. It's got a zombie mask on one, and then you just pull down that, and then it looks like Jason.
Come on, Ben. Get your daughter.
And that's a little bare, but not much I can do with that. I want to get some lights up here, like sound activated lights. That'd be pretty cool.
You want that?
So my GoPro cut out, but that's pretty much gonna do it. Oh, I have these here too, the Mickey Mouse statues. Fix It Felix Jr. Thing. Guardians of the Galaxy coaster, Mandalorian, Funko Pop. But anyways, yeah, that's gonna pretty much do it. Quick little video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.